Sunscreen savvy. Protecting your skin at any age. Greetings, fellow Over the Hill Yackers. Welcome back to our channel, where we embrace the journey of aging and explore essential topics that affect our lives. Today, we're diving into the importance of applying sunscreen and debunking the myth that some cultures believe they don't need it. We'll also discuss why it's crucial for seniors to protect their skin while engaging in outdoor activities. Sunscreen is a universal necessity, regardless of age or cultural background. Let's address the myth first and set the record straight. Myth: certain cultures don't need sunscreen. This myth is prevalent in some cultures where individuals believe their skin is naturally protected from the sun's harmful rays. However, it's important to understand that everyone, regardless of skin color or ethnicity, should prioritize sun protection. While it's true that melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, provides some natural protection, it's not enough to shield us completely from the damaging effects of UV radiation. Now, let's delve into why sunscreen is vital for people of all ages, including seniors. Protection against sunburn. 1. No matter your age, sunburn is uncomfortable and can lead to long-term damage. 2. Seniors, in particular, may have thinner and more delicate skin, making them more susceptible to sunburn. 3. Applying sunscreen before heading outdoors helps prevent painful sunburn and allows for an enjoyable experience. Defense against skin aging. 1. The sun's UV rays are a primary contributor to premature aging of the skin. 2. Wrinkles, age spots, and loss of elasticity are concerns for all individuals, including seniors. 3. Regular use of sunscreen helps slow down these visible signs of aging, allowing you to maintain healthy and youthful-looking skin. Reducing the risk of skin cancer. 1. Skin cancer can affect anyone, regardless of age. 2. In fact, seniors have a higher risk due to cumulative sun exposure over their lifetime. 3. By incorporating sunscreen into their daily routine, seniors can significantly reduce their risk of developing skin cancer, including melanoma, the most dangerous form. Now that we understand the importance of sunscreen, let's explore some practical tips for seniors to effectively protect their skin during outdoor activities. Choose a senior-friendly sunscreen. 1. Look for sunscreens that are gentle on sensitive skin and specifically designed for seniors. 2. These formulas are often fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and less likely to cause irritation. Opt for higher SPF. 1. Considering the vulnerability of mature skin, selecting a sunscreen with a higher sun protection factor, SPF, is advisable. 2. Aim for an SPF of 30 or higher to ensure adequate protection against harmful UV rays. Apply generously and reapply. 1. Seniors should apply sunscreen generously to all exposed areas, including the face, neck, arms, and legs. 2. Don't forget commonly overlooked areas like the ears and back of the hands. 3. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, or more frequently if sweating or swimming. Seek shade and wear protective clothing. 1. Encourage seniors to seek shade during peak sun hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. 2. Wearing lightweight, long-sleeved clothing, wide-brimmed hats, and sunglasses also provides additional protection against the sun's harmful rays. Remember, my fellow Over the Hill Yackers, age is just a number when it comes to protecting our skin. By prioritizing sunscreen and following sun-safe practices, we can enjoy the outdoors while safeguarding our skin's health and vitality. So, grab your sunscreen, embrace the sun responsibly, and let's continue our adventure together. Until next time. Please continue to support our channel by like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.